Hello everyone, welcome to Good to Know. I've got a little treat for you today. I went and bought a Japanese style grill. Some call them yakitori grills or a satay grill. They're very narrow and short. I'm going to show you just how it came in. There's little to do to get it set up, and it came with lots and lots of accessories. These things are fun to cook kebabs on. You can cook steaks, chicken wings. They're mainly made for kebabs or satays, yakitori style cooking. So we're going to come down here and I'll show you what the grill looks like. Like I said, it's not that big. It is actually now approximately 32 inches long and 8 inches wide. Only thing I had to put on were these handles. There's two little screws on each side. I will tell you that you do need to tighten up all the screws once you get it. So we'll just set this right here for right now. This is the base that came with it. It basically just folds open. And then inside here you got two grates. It has this rod. Has this little rod. All you do in our two-part is there we go. Goes in there just like that. Hope you can see it. I'll hold it down here a little bit. Goes like that. We're going to set this behind us. Alright, we're going to see what we have inside here. Again, we have two grates. We have a wide grate, and these two fit evenly on there. They fit from the outside. We have a smaller grate. You can cook a little smaller stuff on there. Also comes with a warming pan. It'll sit right on top. All right, can y'all see that? Then it comes with 3 spice containers, and they have different size holes, whether you want the big pouring spouts or down to the little small salt and pepper pouch holes. Plus it also closes to cover them. It comes with a little air blower. You want to get it real hot, the heat. But I have a fan for mine, so you never know, might need it. It came with 10 of these big wooden handle skewers. 10 of those. Then it came with 20 of the little handles. And then I didn't count these other flat skewers. It just helps stuff from turning around. I'd say there's about 40 or 50 of these in here. There's a ton of them. So I'm not going to run out of skewers. Again, I put the handles on. Okay. Put the handles on. It does have a vent here for airflow. It has the same thing on the opposite side, a vent for airflow. It's right back down in there. It has holes for the grates. You can also pull these vents out and go dump your coals, your ashes. Again, all these things, they're screwed in. You'll have to go back and tighten all these up. So it's pretty neat. If you want to get a good hot flame, that's what that's for. You can, if you got the little air dragons, you can blow down in there. That's what I have. This fits right on that stand behind me. We're going to set these skewers to the side. In there. You can see where it sets in there. It fits perfectly. You just have to make sure it's centered. And right here, so they fit. It fits right in there. Now, you could probably put the handles right here on each side, or you can put them on the ends. I just put them on the ends because I'm thinking maybe it's easier to carry like this. Especially if you got hot coals still in here instead of grabbing it right over the coals. But we're going to give this a cook this evening. Like I said, this fits on it right on the outside. You can cook steaks. You can cook anything on these. You can lay those big, if you want to cook the full size of those long kebabs, you can lay them this way. The short ones you lay them this way. You can stack a ton of them on there. So this is going to be pretty fun. Like I said, it's not really that big of a grill. This was $99 on Amazon. It was free shipping. And I think I'm going to really have some fun with this. So if you like making kebabs, or you will like cooking stuffed peppers and jalapenos out on the grill and stuff, this would be a good side grill too to do other stuff on. So say you want to do pickups and cook your main meal on the other grill and do your pickups right here, be perfect. It's good for camping, to carry around. And I'm sure I'm going to get some enjoyment out of this. And we'll see you in a little bit when we start our do our cooks after a while.